Thank you for choosing Rust-Oleum Floor Transformations metallic coating system. This video, along with the supplied instructions, will detail the process of coating your floor, giving you optimum appearance and years of durable use. Before you apply your coating, a proper surface is needed to assure adhesion. If you are coating concrete, we recommend using the Safe Etch solution provided in your kit to open the pores of the concrete to accept the coating. Mix only one pouch at a time. Massage the pouch to break up any clumps you may feel in the liquid and blend them into the rest of the coating. Do this to all pouches so they are ready when you need them. Our unique pouches each contain two components that need to be combined. This is accomplished by placing the pouch on the ground and rolling it from the part A side towards the part B side, like a tube of toothpaste. This will create pressure on the part A side and force the middle seal to burst, allowing the two components to mix together. Thoroughly mix the materials by shaking the pouch both up and down and back and forth, and squeezing the edges and corners towards the center of the pouch. At this point, the product is activated and must be applied within 1 hour. Pot life may vary due to temperature. As temperatures rise above 26 degrees, pot life will be shortened. Pour the entire contents of the pouch into a bucket and add the metallic tint. Using a paddle mixer and drill or the supplied stir stick, thoroughly mix the tint. Make sure to scrape the sides of the bucket with the supplied stir stick to ensure that all components and tint are thoroughly mixed together. Now you are ready to coat your floor. Using a 75mm paintbrush, cut the material in around the perimeter of half the area to be coated. Pour the mixed material from the bucket directly on the floor about 300mm from the back wall, creating roughly 1.2 meter to 1.5 meter ribbons. Make sure the ribbon is at least 75mm to 100mm wide. Apply material in 1.5 meter by 1.5 meter sections in an even coat. At this point, the material on the floor might be somewhat see-through. Once a full section is done, use the roller to put circular patterns in the floor, like applying wax to a car. This will make the majority of the coating system look opaque and give you the best result. Repeat the process by pouring your new ribbon of product approximately 600mm away from the previously coated area. Use the roller to pull the material back towards you first, then it can be pushed forward to fill in the void between the sections. Repeat the above steps for each additional pouch. Expansion joints are not meant to be coated with this material. Depending on temperature and humidity, the average cure time is 8 to 10 hours for foot traffic, 24 hours for room assembly.